of the little ones. I can't see from here. There's no adult male here.
Oh, but you just know that there's a young male.
Yeah, yeah. When they're moving around. Looking at this one here closest to us, it's getting a bit of a mohawk. That might be the young. So that's one thing with the lion's social structure. They do all look after each other's cubs. She's yawning like that. That's usually a sign she's thinking about moving. She may only move a couple of meters further into the shade though.
What do they think makes like a lioness?
To lie in the shade behind us.
Oh, a shade?
Not the shade of the car, no.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's so funny. Oh, he's running.